eventually come true. I stop my busy footsteps. E511S foldable quadcopter. Experience life with your heart. It's powerful and easy to operate. Outdoor GPS fixed point can make it hover precisely in the air. GPS intelligent following system ensures it to record my cycling figure in a flying angle. It's equipped with 1080p high-definition wide-range camera, which can be adjusted by 90-degree up and down and record the excellent moments. .360-degree circumferential point setting provides a brand new angle to view the familiar scenery and record wonderful moments. Airline planning will give up the complex operation, set the desired track, and will head from the destination automatically. Heat determines my sight. And sight changes the way I look at the world. Intelligent operation experience, easy to return with one button. E511S foldable quadcopter, changing another way to see the world.